Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Vidya. Today we are going to execute first in India female. So let's start. India's first woman president is Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil is the Indian politician who served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012. She is a member of INC. She previously served as the Governor of Rajasthan from 2004 to 2007. India's first woman Prime Minister is Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi was an Indian politician and a central figure of INC. She was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. First woman Speaker of Lok Sabha, Meera Kumar. Meera Kumar is an Indian politician, a member of INC. INC is Indian National Congress. She was the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment from 2004 to 2009, the Minister of Water Resource for a brief period of time, and 15th Speaker of Lok Sabha from 2009 to 2014. Meera Kumar was the first woman speaker, but at the same time she was the 15th Lok Sabha speaker. First woman Chief Minister of a state is Sucheta Kriplani. Sucheta Kriplani was a freedom fighter and a politician. She was the first Indian woman to become the Chief Minister of the state. She was the Chief Minister of the state Uttar Pradesh from 1963 to 1967. India's first woman governor is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was called as the Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhi, and then it's known by our country. She was the governor of Uttar Pradesh from 15th August 1947 to 2nd March 1948. She was the first 49, not 48, 49. She was the first woman governor of the state Uttar Pradesh. First woman union minister is Rajkumari BBG Amrut Kaur. She was a politician. She was appointed as the first health minister of India in 1947 and remained in the office until 1957. She served for 10 years in the office. First woman union minister is nothing but the first woman in the parliament in charge of something. That is, she was the health minister. First woman judge of Supreme Court is Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi, often known as Fatima Bibi. Fatima Bibi is a former judge of Supreme Court, appointed to the Apex Court in 1989, and she is also the first Muslim woman to be appointed to any of the higher judiciaries in the country. She is also the first Muslim woman. She is appointed in a higher position in the country. First Indian woman ambassador at the UN is Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru and an Indian diplomat and politician as the first woman, as the first female president of the UN General Assembly. She is the first Indian woman who went in the UN General Assembly and was made the president. So your homework for this one is to find out the 5 organs of UN. You write it in the chat box. The first 5 who get it correct, their names would be shown in the next video. India's first woman IPS officer, Kiran Bedi. Kiran Bedi is the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry. Puducherry is a Union Territory of India. She started her IPS service in 1972. Kiran Bedi started her IPS service in 1972. A full form of IPS is Indian Police Service. Next is first woman president of INC. INC is Indian National Congress, is Annie Besant. Annie Besant was a British socialist, theosophist, women's rights activist, writer and educationist. She was a prolific author with over 300 books. Means Annie Besant have written 300 books. Totally 300 books. First Indian woman president of INC. INC is Indian National Congress. I've told it before. INC doesn't mean that it is the president of INC doesn't mean that it is the president of India. And here you think that why did I give it again? President of first woman president of INC. See it clearly, you will get to know that first Indian woman president of INC, which is Sarojini Naidu, and in the previous slide it was first woman president of INC, not the Indian woman. Next one is Neerja Bhanot. Neerja Bhanot was an air hostage who died while saving passengers on a Pan Am Flight 73, which had been hijacked by terrorists during stopover in Karachi, Pakistan on 5th September 1986, just 2 days before her 23rd birthday. Before her 23rd birthday. Next one is first Indian woman who reached Antarctica is Mihir Mus. Mihir Mus is a traveler who was Indian traveler who visited 180 countries in the age of 50 years, affectionately called Magellan Moose. Also, she is also known as Magellan Moose. Next question is first Miss India is Mihir Castellino Mistry. Mihir Castellino Mistry belongs to Maharashtra state. She was chosen to represent India at Miss Universe 1964 held in the United Nations, but unfortunately she was not selected for it. First Indian woman to become Miss Universe is Sushmita Sen. Sushmita Sen is an Indian actress and model who was crowned Femina Miss India in 1994 and she won Miss Universe in 1994 at the age of just 18 years. She worked in the Hindi. She also worked in Hindi films. Next is first Indian woman to become Miss World, which is Miss Rita Faria. Miss Rita Faria Paul got the Miss World title in 1966. Next one is first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest. Yes, it's Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was awarded with the third highest civilian award, which is Padma Bhushan, by the Government of India in 2019. She's Bachendri Pal. First Indian woman to climb Mount Everest twice. Bachendri Pal climbed the Mount Everest. She was the first to climb Mount Everest, but the first Indian woman who climbed the Mount Everest 2 times is Santosh Yadav. Santosh Yadav is the first woman to successfully climb the Mount Everest from Changchun face. She first climbed in May 1992 and then again in May 1993 with an Indo-Nepalese team. She climbed 2 times, one in May 1992 and other in May 1993. Next one is first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel is Aarti Saha. She is not only the first Indian woman but also the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel. Aarti Saha became the first Indian sportswoman to be awarded with Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian honor in India. She is also awarded with Padma Shri as well. First woman to get Bharat Ratna, Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi got Bharat Ratna in 1971. She got the highest civilian award of Republic India, Bharat Ratna, inscribed in Devanagari script. Devanagari script is just a Hindi script. You can see the Bharat Ratna here and Indira Gandhi receiving it. Next is first Indian woman to get Jnanpith Award is Asha Purna Devi. Asha Purna Devi is also known as Asha Purna Devi or Asha Purna Devi. She is the poet in Bengali and she got a Jnanpith Award in 1976. First Indian woman to get Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. Mother Mary Teresa Bozangiv, honored in the Catholic Church as Saint Teresa of Calcutta, was an Albanian Indian Roman Catholic nun and missionary. She received Bharat Ratna on 25th Jan 1980 for her humanitarian humanity, and her original name was Anges Gonka Bozaktu. First Indian woman airline pilot is Durba Banerjee. Durba Banerjee was the first pilot of Indian Airlines in 1956 and the first Indian woman commercial pilot also. So Durba Banerjee was an airline pilot, first Indian woman airline pilot. First woman pilot to fly solo in Indian Air Force is Harita Kaur Deol. Harita Kaur Deol is an Indian pilot who flew solo in IAF. IAF is Indian Air Force. First Indian woman of IAF to fly Rafale fighter jet is going to fly Rafale fighter jet is Shivangi Singh. This is the latest news. She is going to fly, not yet fly. First Indian woman to win WTA title. WTA means World Tennis Association. It is Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza is a very famous Indian tennis player. First Indian woman to win gold in Asian Games is Kamaljit Sandhu. Kamaljit Sandhu got the gold medal in Asian Games for athletes. First woman musician to get Bharat Ratna is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Her full name is Madurai Mukhavadevu Subbulakshmi. She is a very famous Indian veena player, and she got the Bharat Ratna. First musician to get Bharat Ratna. First Indian woman to go to space is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla is also known as Indian American woman because she was born in India and then she was married in America. She was born in Hisar in Karnal, Haryana. First Indian to win a medal in badminton at Olympics is Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal got bronze medal in the Olympics first time, and if the question is the first Indian woman to win a gold medal in badminton at Olympics, then it is PV Sindhu. First Indian woman boxer to win a gold medal in Asian Games. Kamaljit Sandhu was the first first Indian woman who won a gold medal in any game, that is athletics. But the first Indian woman boxer to win gold medal in Asian Games is Mary Kom. Her full name is Mangte Chungjinang Mary Kom. First woman IAS officer of India is Anna Rajam Malhotra. IAS means Indian Administrative Service. First Indian woman to join the Indian Army is Priya Jhingan. The only woman boxer who has won a medal in each of the 6 world championships is Mary Kom. Mary Kom is the only woman boxer who has won a medal, whether it's gold, silver or bronze, in each of the world championship, each of the 6 world championships conducted. The first Indian woman to become number 1 in world ranking in badminton is Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is the first Indian woman who is been ranked number 1 in badminton. First Indian woman to be ranked number 1 in WTA's double ranking is Sania Mirza. I am repeating the full form of WTA. It is World Tennis Association. Sania Mirza is ranked number 1 in WTA's double ranking. First Indian woman to win Booker Prize is Arundhati Roy. She got the Booker Prize for the book The God of Small Things. You can see the image of the novel. So it's the time of question of the day. What is the full form of PT Usha? Think and comment it. Full name of PT Usha. Think and comment it in the chat box. First 3 people to answer the correct will get their name in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel GK Vidya.